hitting that subscribe button. It's right down here, down there somewhere. It's the red button, it says subscribe. Hit it, it's gonna turn gray, and then you can hit that bell so you'll be notified when I post and you don't miss a video. Ooh, y'all, I just got out of the shower, so excuse me, my head, excuse me. But it's day 3 of Vlogmas. Well, it's really raining today, 4, because it's like 12 something. I didn't have time to film earlier because I got up a little late, and then when I got up I had to go do something, and then I had to work. So now I'm here to film for you guys, and so I can upload this video. I may upload it, yeah, I'm gonna upload it when I finish, so it's gonna be the AM. But y'all will get 2 videos today, I promise, because I have to post day 4 on day 4. The only reason this is getting late is because, like I said, I was gonna film it. I just got this, so I was gonna film it earlier, but I didn't have time. But we're gonna get into it. So, as I said in my, what video was it? I think it was my review video for the hyaluronic acid. I showed y'all my nails. They was looking a little wretched because I had different shapes and stuff all on my hand. But I said I was gonna get into doing the nail thing or whatever, and your girl gonna be fine. But I ordered me a kit. This is the kit. I'm about to open it for y'all. It is the Young Nails Ultimate Kit, Starter Beginner Kit, Acrylic Kit, whatever you want to, you know, one of their pro kits. I was gonna get the Mia Secrets one, but I started looking more into Young Nails, so I just wanted this one. I ordered the kit and 2 other things with it. So yeah, this is what's in it when I open it. They have their little card up here. This card. I got the Young Nails Professional Acrylic Kit, the ultimate one. I'll take that out. This is the kit. Ooh, I'm so excited to open it. And this is my other 2 things. So I'll go ahead and get these out of the way. The dampen dish came out. I ordered their black dampen dish because it comes with one, but this is a deeper one and you can stand the brush up in it. So I ordered the black dampen dish. It comes with a little cork, so that's really cute. It's kind of like, it's artsy. It's really cute. I like it. This is a dampen dish that the monomer with the liquid goes in, if you don't know. And then I got their Magic Wand, which is a cuticle pusher and scraper, and it's a pincher all in one. So this is the pincher side, and then this is the cuticle pusher and the scraper on the other side. So it's like all in one little thing. Got that. That's the 2 things that didn't come in the kit, so I was just getting those out the way because they were already out. But let's get into this kit. It comes with a lot of stuff, everything you would need to start out with acrylic, working with acrylic. They have everything you need in this, besides like a drill and extra stuff, but you get that separately. I haven't ordered mine yet, but I might show y'all like when I finish getting all my stuff, like my complete kit or whatever. I may. Let me know if y'all want to see it. But is there a paper? Oh, this is what the kit includes. Got a little dark, but that's what the kit includes. All on here, I'm gonna read from here. 1 second. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull out and show you guys. It comes with nail tips, which it has. There's a 50 pack of natural tips. Well, these are the clear tips. 50 pack of clear tips. 50 pack of natural tips. What's next? It comes with a small damping dish. You see, compared how deep, like, compared, that's why I got the bigger one, but this little compared to my whole, like, almost my whole finger in it. See how deep it is? But that's the Young Nails damping dish, and then this is the one that comes with the kit, which are like the little generic ones, I believe, you know, because we have these at school, but they have like white ones and clear ones. Anyway, a damping dish. It comes with a brush. This is their artistic sculptor brush, the Young Nails artistic sculptor brush, which I think is like a number 9. I think it's equivalent to like a number 9 brush. It's nice. It comes with the tip pointed already for you, but then they have that little stuff to keep it stiff. You have to I'll soak it off in some acetone. But it comes with a brush. It comes with, this is their swipe. Yeah, it's like cleaner. I think it's basically like what you would use alcohol for. But like, it's like this swipe. It comes with the little pump thing to go with, or yeah, that's the on top. It has the pump top. So this is their swipe. And that is, I don't know if y'all want to know how much. I'm just gonna tell y'all how much everything is. It's 8 fluid ounces of swipe. Comes with a manicure brush to clean them up. It comes with nail forms. How many forms do we have here? It comes with 100 forms. The Young Nails forms, and I heard these are like really sticky. I think that's what they're good for. Like, that's one of their pros on the videos that I was watching or whatever. We have some cuticle oil. You get 1 fluid ounce of cuticle oil, and it comes with a dropper top. That's nice. So you don't have to pour it over. You just drop it on your nails. What else? It comes with some files. It has the 150 grit, 100 grit, and 180. And they have a 180 sponge buffer and a 240 combo. So it has like 5, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 files. Brush on nail glue, half an ounce of brush on nail glue. You have 10 milliliters of their finishing gel, which is like top coat. What is this? Their protein bond. It is 0.25 fluid ounces of their protein bond, which is like their primer. I heard this is really good too. Let's go ahead and do these. We have some. We have 1/4 ounce of their Block Party mixer, like their Block Party glitters, the Block Party collection. I'm guessing. Block Party collection. You get 4 of them. You get Mixer, Rave, Surprise, and Pool. This is Surprise. This is Pool. It's like a blue. I'll open them up for y'all. This is Mixer. And this is Rave. Let's open up the blue one. Oh, they're glitter mixes, acrylic. Oh, I pulled it out. Dang. But that's what they are. They're glitters. They're cute. You see it? I don't want to tip it over too much because I already poured some out. But it's like a blue, a pink, a greenish, and like a, I don't know. It's like it looks like two greens, like a darker one and like a, I don't know, blue greenish type colors. You get 2 6 fluid ounce nail liquid bottles. So this is the monomer, but they call it nail liquid. So 2 of those, which is great because that stuff can go fast. I've heard it, I believe, from like what's at school. And then you get the little dropper so you don't over pour or like spill it everywhere. And then you get 4 acrylics, which is great. You get 4 45 gram acrylics. And which ones do I have? I have Cover Pink, Speed White, Cover Blush, and Speed Clear. I think I'm gonna show y'all what these look like swatch them on a paper towel, and the glitters too. So give me just a second. Okay, y'all, so I got them all swatched for you, and I'm just gonna show y'all. They're not all dry yet, but oops, I accidentally touched glitter on top of that one, but you can still see it. Okay, so here at the top we have, let me lighten it up a little bit. Or no, that's pretty like this. Okay, here we have Speed White. I mean, no, not Speed White. Speed Clear. Speed Clear acrylic. And then here, this one, I think this one is my favorite. It has like little sparkles in it. If you can't see, it's like a light pink, which is Cover Blush. It's like a blush color, and it has like little shimmers in it. It's so pretty. And then we have Speed White, and then we have Cover Pink, and it's really more of a kind of, yeah, it's pink. Don't mind that little glitter on there. I accidentally touched it, and there was some of the Black Party glitters on my hand. So those are the acrylic powders, and then here is the glitters, the Black Party collection glitters. Okay, so starting, I guess we can go from here. This is that blue, which is Pool. It's so pretty. These are so pretty. Pool, and then this is like a deep greenish, like it's like a deep green, and that is Rave here. And then here is like a pinkish, yeah, it's like pink, yeah, pink red. It got like some red glitters in it, but it's like a pinkish kind of reflection to it too. That's Surprise. And then this last one is Mixer, and it's like a blue green. It has like blue glitters and green, and it's so pretty. So those are all the acrylics swatched. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to unbox my stuff for you guys. I'm so excited. I'm ready to start doing nails. When I get my stuff together, like I start doing my own and stuff like that, and get everything, I may show y'all my complete kit when I get the stuff. Well, like, it won't ever be complete, but when I get all my stuff, I might show y'all everything I have. And yeah, I may do some nail videos too, you know, do my own. I'm so excited. I have like these images in my head of nails that I want to do. But yeah, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed. It's Vlogmas Day 3, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if not already to join the family, and give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below what you think, or if you have this, or if you use Young Nail products, if you do nails, if anything, comment, talk to me. But yeah, see y'all in the next video, which is the same day, but see y'all later.